In this video, I'll show you how to make a frequency distribution table, a histogram, and a line graph in Google Sheets. Your frequency table goes in this area, but unfortunately, Google Sheets will not recognize these bins. We have to write it as only the right endpoint. I'll call it right limit. So we have the first one as 10, the next one is 20, 30, and so on up to 150. You don't have to type that. The shortcut is to left click on your mouse and drag it from 10 to 20. And you'll see this blue little dot at the bottom right of the 20 cell. You click on it and drag it to the bottom. And that will display the sequence. Now the frequencies, now you don't want to do this by hand because it's a long list. So we will use the frequency function of Google Sheets. It's a formula, so equal to frequency. Notice that as I type here, what I'm typing appears at the top. And in this upper area, you can turn on the formula help. So if you click on the question mark, you will see that frequency has actually two parameters. The first one is for the data, it's a cell range, and the second one is for the bin. So let's grab our data list. This is the data range. So you drag your mouse all the way to the end. So that's B2 to B49. You could have also typed those cell references yourself. And the next one is the bins. These are your bins. Enter. You don't stop here, you want to check. So let's do some work here again. Copy this, Control C. And in this free area on the right, let's do Control V, paste it. And let's sort it. You do that by clicking on data and then sort the range. You do not sort the sheet, you sort the range, which is still highlighted. And notice it's sorted from smallest to the highest. So let's check a few of the numbers in frequency. 10 and below, there are 3. And that's correct. 1, 2, 3. From 10 to 20, 20 is up there. According to the frequency function, there are 12. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's correct. You don't have to check everything, but do check a few values. So now we have the frequencies. We can copy it, Control C, Control V. Well, we don't want Control V. Let's do paste special because I want to paste only the values. Remember that the content of these cells, the top cell actually is a frequency function. So you don't want that to be copied in here. You just wanted the value. So there you have it. And then we can delete this column. Now for the statistics, you know how to do this from assignment 7A. Now for the histogram. Select your data and then insert a chart. Now we want a histogram, so we have to pick the histogram is all the way here at the bottom, and it will say histogram chart. You want to click on Customize, Histogram, and your bin size or bucket size is 10. So that looks like the correct histogram already. Now, in statistics, you always have to title your graph. So let's give it a title. You can say histogram of purchase amount in a grocery, whatever. Now, if you put the word histogram there, you don't have to label the vertical axis because you still have a choice to give a vertical axis title and the horizontal title. Because when you say histogram, by default, the vertical axis is the frequency. Now, for the horizontal axis title, you might want to say dollar amount because the dollar symbol is not appended to the numbers. Okay, so finish the title, and that's it for the histogram. For the line graph, you need the time, both columns. Insert a chart. This was the old chart, so we change it to a line chart. It looks very strange because of this diagonal line above. You don't want that, so we customize that chart. First, the horizontal axis. We want to treat the labels as text, so these are the times. The data list, we have to change the horizontal axis title to time. And then we may want to add some points if you want. Click on the line graph itself. So here, by the way, when I click this, I'm going to go here. Point size is, let's say, 2 pixels, just to make it look nice. But you don't have to do this. That one is good enough. Now you have to change the title because this is not a histogram. So this is the purchase amount in dollars. A purchase amount. You don't need to put in dollars because there are dollars there already. By time in a grocery. And that's it.